Hello, Mayan. Good afternoon.
Hello, teacher. Good afternoon.
Okay. How are you today, Mayan?
Fine, thank you.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, wow. Very good. Okay. What's the weather right now?
It's sunny and hot.
Oh, okay. So, what did you do this morning, Mayan?
Mm, I sleeping and play game.
I'm sorry.
I sleeping and play game.
Oh, all right. So, when are you going back to school?
Mm, I think is what I don't know.
Yeah,
Mm,
because some of the students from Vietnam are actually, they already started going back to school this Monday. What about you, May? And when are you going back to school?
I think I'm going back to school at what? I'm back to school at August 29.
All right. Okay. Are you excited to go back to school?
Mm, yes.
Okay. So, anyway, today we'll be talking about Unit 15. It's all about the internet. Okay. If you hear the word internet, Mayan, what comes into your mind?
I think internet is a network when I use iPhone or iPad.
Mm-hmm. You are correct. You mentioned network. Very good. So, yeah, it refers to the global network of computers, and this network allow people to communicate, share information, and access other services that we can see online, just like you and me. We are talking, we are communicating, we are learning. It's because we both have an internet. So that's what an internet is. Okay, so let's go through with our vocabulary, Mayan. I want you to look, listen, and repeat. We have the internet.
The internet.
Very good. Okay, so now we have in here use the internet. Okay, let's make a sentence using each of the phrase. So, for example, I always use the internet to have a class. What's your sentence, Mayan?
Mm, I think I always use the internet to I think it's play games.
One more, please.
I use the internet to play games.
That's right. Very good, especially if that game can only be done online and it's not an offline game. And we have next surf the internet. Okay, so when we say surf the internet, that means we're going to browse the internet by using a website. It could be Google, Safari, what else? Like Microsoft Edge. Yeah, so those are different website where we could surf the internet. How often do you surf the internet, Mian?
I I think sometimes I surf the internet.
Very good. Okay, so thank you so much for that one, Mian. And now we have here search for information.
Search for information.
Very good. Okay, so when we search for information, that means we are looking for specific data. It could be a knowledge, it could be some facts about the world by using a search engine like this one. By using a search engine on the internet. Okay, are you familiar with Google?
Yes.
Yeah, so when we use Google, we have to search for information. Yes. Okay, so my sentence for this one is I search for information about Philippine history so that I can answer my sister homework. What's your sentence, Mayan?
Mm, I often search for information for my homework.
Very good. Okay. Now next we have here internet addiction.
Internet addiction.
Very good. So do you have any idea what an internet addiction is?
I think internet addiction is uh, uh
Mm-hmm.
like uh the people. Oh wait. Uh, I think internet addiction is a negative phenomenon, and they are have uh the people have so many people. Wait. Yes.
Okay.
Mm, I think the people are always pay attention in the iPhone or iPad or a MacBook.
That is right. Very good. Okay, like for example, you cannot do anything without the internet, then that means you are addicted to it. And once you are addicted to something, especially the internet, there there are many disadvantages because it destroys our eyes because of radiation. Yes. And it's like when we say internet addiction, it's like we are obsessed about the internet and we like to spend most of our time in the internet where it would lead to excessive amount of time that we spend on the internet. So that is internet addiction. So for example, like this boy's internet addiction caused him to lose focus on his mother's relationship. So what's your sentence, Mayan?
Mm, I am I think that mostly young people today are internet addiction.
That's right. Very good, Mayan. Okay, now next we have learn online.
Learn online.
Very good. Okay, just like you and me. Okay, you are learning online. Okay. So actually, when we say learning, you can do it anywhere and anytime. Wherever you go, you can learn. Just like you and me, we are like just like you joining our class this time. I am from the Philippines. We are actually very far from each other when it comes to the location, but because of the internet, this is one of the advantage we could because we could just learn online. Same thing with me. Like I still learn online during my master's program. Like I would go to school Saturdays and Sundays, but during weekdays, like especially on the night time, some of our professors would have an online class. Okay, so when we say online, it could be done remotely. It could be done at home, at the beach, even when you're on a vacation. It could be done when you're in school, as long as you have an internet. Yes. Okay. Or it's not necessary that there is a teacher just like you and me. It's not necessary like this because knowledge is everywhere. And once you know how to uh, get information from the internet, especially like um, information that are legit, yes, that's already learning online. Because when we say learn online, that means to acquire knowledge by using the internet. Yes, by just watching videos on YouTube, as long as you're learning, that is considered learning online. All right, Mayan?
Yeah.
Hello, Mayan?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. What about you, Mayan? What do you prefer, learning online or learning face to face?
I think prefer learn online.
Learning online. Okay. Can you tell me why?
I think because um I like
Uh-huh.
um what I think I have hesitate to learn face to face.
Ah, yes. And yeah, it's learning online is very convenient because of the flexibility. Yes. We don't have to take a shower just to learn. Just like me. It's not necessary that I'm going to take a shower, fix my hair just to attend class. Sometimes I will not take a shower anymore just to attend all my classes because my students cannot smell my hair like that. But of course, for personal hygiene, I have to take a shower. So that is just some of the advantages of learning online. Okay, anyway, we have here next take online courses.
Take online courses.
Yes. So what do you mean by take online courses, Mayan?
I think take online courses is um have so yeah, I think it have math or English or uh history class online.
All right. Okay. You are correct. When we say take online course, that means you enrolled in a specific program online. Just like you. Okay, you enrolled in Bees. Okay, so Bees is focused on giving students um mastery of English skill. Yes. So you are taking an online English course like that. But of course, this one is not really like same thing in college where you have to learn different subject because we are only focusing on one like English, learning some words, learning how to speak English like that. So you are also taking an online course. Okay, like example, like I decided to take online courses to balance my studies with my work schedule. Okay, what's your sentence using take online course, Mayan?
Mm, I think I have I have so many class to take online courses.
Very good. Okay. And next we have here waste time.
Waste time.
Great. Okay. What is waste time, Mayan?
Mm, I think waste time is when like when study homework at home and I'm always play games. It's just a waste time.
That is right. Very good. Okay. So I'm not sure if you've heard about procrastinate. Okay. Are you familiar with this word, Mayan? Procrastinate or procrastination?
No, I'm not.
Okay. This is the same with wasting time. Okay. So when we say waste time, that means we're going to spend our time unproductively, or it is because we don't want to achieve anything meaningful in our life. That's why we just want to waste time. So same thing with procrastination. When you are procrastinating, that means you would say like, "Oh, I'm going to do my homework later." Later because I still have time and the deadline is next week. Instead of doing it right now because you're available, you would always say, "Oh, I still have more much time, so I will not do it. I'll do it one day before the deadline." So that is an example of procrastination. So wasting time is the same with procrastinate, like that. Okay. So for example, instead of studying for my exam, I wasted time scrolling through my Facebook. So that I am guilty of that actually. So that is based on my experience. So what about you, May? And what's your sentence, May?
Mm, My brother have waste time to play games.
Very good, May Ann. Okay. Now next we have here concentrate on something.
Concentrate on something.
Very good. So what can you understand with this phrase, May Ann?
Mm, I think when um, when do my homework, I'm not. I think I'm not using my iPhone, and I'm studying all day.
That's right. Okay, when we concentrate on something, that means we have to focus on doing it. Like all your attention are on this. And you would avoid to be distracted from anything because you want to concentrate on something. Okay, like example, it is important to concentrate on studying while you are a student. Okay, so what's your sentence, Mayan?
Mm, I think I always concentrate on my homework.
One more, please.
I always concentrate on my homework.
Very good. Okay, play computer. But what is play computer? Can you make a sentence using concentrate on something? Like, for example, it is important to concentrate on our studies while we are a student. So, what is your sentence, Mayan?
Mm, uh, I'm very concentrate on my class. Hello, teacher.
Oh, yes, Mayan.
I always concentrate on my class.
Very good. Okay, and next we have keep update with something.
Keep update with something.
Very good. Okay, so when we say keep update with something, that means we are staying informed about a specific topic. Yes, you are always updated with something. That is to keep updated with something. Like for example, I make sure to keep updated with the latest news about my country. So what's your sentence?
Mm, I think I always keep update with uh with a news in my iPhone.
Hello, Mayan.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, I sorry, I couldn't hear what you said. I only said like I keep update, then you were lost. Can you please say it again?
Yes. I keep update with the news in my iPhone.
Very good. Wow, that's great because you like reading news on your iPhone. Nice. Okay, so Mayan, this time, do you have any question about the words in here?
No.
Okay, now let's have a review. So tell me the word, I'll give you the definition. So first, this means that you're going to enroll in a certain program over the internet.
I think it's learn online.
What's your
I think
sentence,
it's
Mayan?
uh, I think
I'm
it's
sorry,
learn.
what's your what is your what is the word for that?
I think it's learn online.
Okay. So it is to enroll. I To take online courses. I'm sorry, I'm lost, Mayan. Okay, now next we have here to spend time in a manner that is unproductive or does not achieve any um does not achieve any meaningful. So the other word for this is procrastinate. What is this one?
I think it's waste time.
Very good. That's right. Okay. Now, what about this one? Like, this means to focus our attention on a specific task.
Um, I think it's um, like surf the internet.
What's your answer?
Um, it's
This
surf
means
the.
to, uh-huh.
I think it's surf the internet.
Okay, so one more time. This means to focus on one particular task. Try again, Mayan.
Um, I think it's the internet.
Okay, so this means concentrate on something. Okay, now, last one, Mayan. This is what we use right now to have a class. So what is it?
Mm, Internet.
Internet. Very good, Mayan. Okay, now let's move on with our reading and discussion. So I want you to look and read.
I use the internet every day. In the morning, during my working time, and in the evening. Maybe no single days, no, maybe no single day of mine is without the internet. My day starts with surfing the Facebook and reading some news after waking up. In the daytime, I use the internet mostly for my work or study. I spend a lot of time chatting with my friends, watching videos, or reading news on the internet in the evening. I cannot deny that the internet plays an important role in my life. It helps me connect with people all over the world. Sometimes I wonder how my life will be without it. To search for information, I use Google. It is so quick, easy, and convenient. Like other young people, surfing Facebook is also my cup of tea. It allows me to keep in touch with my friends and relatives, and also helps me make many new friends. Without a doubt, the internet helps us a lot, but as well, I have seen a lot of people spend too much time on the internet without having time for their family, friends, and other activities. They even cannot concentrate on their work and study.
Very good. Thank you so much for reading this one, Mayan. So do you have any question about this text?
I think it's, I don't know, without a doubt.
Without a doubt. Okay, very good. So here, when we say without a doubt, that means you are 100% sure. Okay, example. Without a doubt, the internet helps us a lot. So that means, in other words, I am 100% sure that the internet helps us a lot. That is without a doubt. You are 100% sure. You are certain that the internet helps us a lot. Like another example, without a doubt, my classmates' presentation was the most impressive of all the speakers. Like that. That means I am so sure that my classmates' presentation was the most impressive of all the speakers.
Yes.
Is that clear now, May Ann?
Yes, I am.
Okay, anything else?
Mm, I think it's addictive.
I'm sorry.
It's addictive.
Which one? Oh, addictive. Oh, we actually know that one earlier. Like when you are, oh, earlier that was addicted. An adjective. But oh, addicted. Yeah, so earlier we learned about addicted, like addicted to the internet. Okay. That means you cannot live without the internet. But when we say addictive, that it this means that you have a strong desire of something. Like example, the game was so addictive that my sister found herself playing for hours every day. So that is addictive. It's like you cannot live without that thing because it's very addictive and you are addicted to that thing. So similar to addicted and addictive is just that it depends to your sentence on how you use them for the proper grammar or correct grammar flow of the sentence. All right, May Ann.
Yes.
Great. Anything else here?
Now, teacher.
No, great. Okay. Now in here, May Ann, I'm gonna ask you question. When does Peter access the internet?
Um, wait. I think he accessed the internet in the morning during his work time and in the evening.
That is right. Why does or what does he do on the internet in the daytime and in the evening?
Mm, he's surfing the Facebook and reading some news after waking up. Like in the daytime, he used the internet mostly for his work or study.
That's right. Very good. Okay, what does he do on Facebook?
Mm, I wait a minute. He's in Facebook is also his cup of tea. It allows him to keep in touch her with his friends and relatives, and also help he make many new friends.
Very good, May, and thank you so much for your answer. So, May, and I want you to say relatives.
Relative.
Very good. Okay, so in Peter's opinion, what is the bad point of the internet?
Mm, I think right. Uh,
Hello, May Ann.
I think he have seen a lot of people spend too much time on the internet without having time for their family, friends, and other activities.
Very good. Okay, so what about you? In your opinion, what is the bad point of the internet? Your opinion, May Ann.
I think the bad point of the internet is make my study all wrong.
Very good. Okay, thank you for that one, May Ann. So, May Ann, how often do you use the internet?
I often use the internet when I have a free time.
One more, please.
I often have internet when I have a free time.
Very good. Okay, thank you so much for that. Okay, now, when did you first use the internet, or how old were you when you first used the internet?
Mm, I think first I use the internet is YouTube or Facebook.
All right. Okay, so what do you often do on social network sites like the Facebook?
Mm, what can you say again?
What do you often do on social network sites like the Facebook?
I think um add friend with someone and surf the Facebook.
Okay, how many Facebook friends do you have, Mayan?
I think it's so many.
Wow. Okay. Do you post a lot of pictures on Facebook?
Mm, it's just a little.
I'm sorry.
It's just a little picture I post in Facebook.
Very good. Okay, so what are some of the ways that the internet can be used for education?
I think um wait a minute.
Okay.
Um, I think we have some uh we have so many art art like uh we have so many now when I'm using internet.
All right. Okay. So do you think you are wasting a lot of time on the internet, Mayan?
Mm, what can you say again?
Yes. Okay, so what will you do so that you will not waste a lot of time on the internet?
Internet. I think I use when search some lesson for history or math.
Yes, that's right. So lessen your time that you spend on the internet and make use of your time effectively. Yes, do your homework, do some extra class, study, and be productive. Anyway, Mayan, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts about our topic today. So have a great day and see you tomorrow. Bye, Mayan.
Yeah, goodbye, teacher.
Bye.